lemon thyme. You plant it in between paving stones, stepping stones, and it will grow out across the ground, and then it can withstand light foot traffic. So every time that you walk on it, it releases the scent of thyme. And this particular one is lemon thyme, but there's plenty of thymes. They all come from mother of thyme, and it's very good to have them planted in between your paving stones. It can make kind of a nice little herb garden too. To have paving stones, you can have different herbs planted in around them. This one here, in between all the paving stones, are flowers though, and the paving stones just go down the center. Here's another one planted in the paving stones that will crawl out across the stones, that also can withstand light foot traffic. This is Ajuga, and this particular variety is called Chocolate Soldier. There is an Ajuga that's green, and it is really nice in paving stones too. And what looks really nice is to get another prostate ground cover that grows well between paving stones. It's a real light green, and if I see that this year I'll probably pick it up. But a real light green, and they grow together, the light green and the dark green, and it makes a striking contrast. Right now on most of these stones though, there's just flowers. Here's Penstemon. It's about done for the year. It starts out early in the spring, and as you can see, there's still a lot of spaces. I could put more ground covers in between these paving stones, and I'll probably do that as the year goes along. I'm not sure I'm done. I may add some more paving stones right in here, and just move the tulips and daffodils here over a little bit. So we'll have to wait and see what happens there. I guess it's a work in progress that I hope I never finish.